I've discovered 11 excellent freelance opportunities for beginners in 2024. These gigs provide avenues for earning extra income, diving into full-time freelancing, or even starting a business. Most likely, these opportunities aren't familiar to you, and if you find value in these videos, please express your support by gently tapping the like button. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is the role of a beta reader. This involves providing feedback on a manuscript or book before it's published. As a beta reader, you often contribute insights and suggestions to enhance the work. This position is frequently sought after by various authors, publishing houses, and literary agencies. Given the nature of the role, where authors typically release books sporadically, it tends to be more of a freelance position. Contrary to the misconception that mastery in writing is a prerequisite, many hiring entities are open to individuals who may not be literary experts. The aim is to gather feedback from potential readers. If hired for a job in this capacity, you can expect to earn around $20 per hour. Alternatively, freelancers in this domain have the potential to earn even more. Websites like Guru.com or Upwork are excellent platforms to explore for opportunities in this field. Considering its attributes, this opportunity receives an 8 out of 10 score. Next on the list is the role of a color season analyst. If the concept seems perplexing, don't worry. I initially found it confusing too. In essence, a color season analyst evaluates different color trends and offers guidance on color selection, particularly in industries like fashion design and product development. This role may involve working with fashion companies, interior design firms, cosmetic brands, and consumer product manufacturers. While a keen sense of fashion is necessary for this position, it is not restricted to experts in the field. Color analysts employed in this capacity typically earn between $48,000 and $72,000 annually. Additionally, freelancers have the potential to earn even higher incomes. Overall, this opportunity is given a 7 out of 10 score. Next on the list is a style advisor, with a focus on being a hairstyle advisor. While it may not personally resonate with me, the importance of finding a suitable haircut based on face shape is emphasized. Despite my lack of interest, there's a substantial demand for this service, with many individuals willing to pay for personalized advice. Online platforms offer various gigs related to hairstyle advising, but I suggest that the real earning potential lies in one-on-one interactions. A friend's success story as a fashion advisor, including guidance on haircuts, highlights the lucrative nature of this field. Overall, the opportunity is rated 7 out of 10. Next, podcast show notes writer. This individual is responsible for creating written summaries and, in some cases, descriptions for podcasts. The written content includes key highlights, discussed topics, and relevant links or resources. Companies seeking these services range from podcast production companies to marketing agencies, content creators, and individual podcasters aiming to enhance their content and engage their audience through informative episode summaries. The additional benefit is that well-crafted show notes can facilitate the discovery of podcasts through keyword searches. Here's a secret. You can use AI-related software, such as Descript, to streamline the process. Freelancers in this domain, often found on platforms like Upwork, can charge between $25 to $50 per hour. Given its untapped market potential and efficiency with AI software, this opportunity receives an 8 out of 10 score. Next on the list is game coaching, a lucrative opportunity for avid gamers who excel in a specific video game. I encourage those in the top 1% of a game, like Call of Duty, to consider this option. Game coaching, especially in esports, offers potential earnings of $15 to $18 per hour when employed, but freelancers can surpass this. The example of chess coaching, particularly following the popularity of the Queen's Gambit, illustrates the substantial income potential, with influencers like Gotham Chess estimated to earn between $5 and $10 million annually. The opportunity is rated highly, receiving an 8.5 out of 10 score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Following that, we have SEO Writing, where individuals focus on creating content optimized for search engines. SEO writers contribute to blogs, aiming for articles to rank highly on search engine results pages. This skill is deemed highly valuable, providing opportunities for employment, freelancing, or starting a personal business. Freelance SEO writers can earn $52 to $81,000 per year, with hourly rates on platforms like Upwork ranging from $15 to $35. Let me emphasize the importance of specialization in a particular niche to stand out and command higher rates. SEO writing is positioned as a skill in digital marketing, described as one of the easiest ways to find online employment or make money. SEO writing is given a 9 out of 10 opportunity score for its high value and diverse potential. Next on the list is a web researcher, described as a digital detective equipped with a mouse and a magnifying glass, scouring the vast expanse of the internet. Freelance internet researchers can earn approximately $113,000 annually, often engaging in lead generation tasks where they identify potential leads for companies, contributing significantly to the company's bottom line. I'm rating this 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Following that, proofreading and editing are both accessible ways to make money quickly. While these roles are easy to enter, the earning potential varies based on skill level and specialization. Editors and proofreaders generally earn $51 to $80,000 per year, with hourly rates on Upwork ranging from $1 to $35. Websites like proofreadingservices.com and flexjobs.com offer opportunities in this field. Despite being relatively easy to start, proofreading and editing have a lower earning ceiling, so I'll rate it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, voiceover acting is a profession required for content that relies solely on voice narration, such as documentaries or faceless YouTube channels. Voiceover artists can earn between $57 and $115,000 annually. Breaking into this field may be challenging initially, requiring the establishment of a personal brand and positive reviews. Websites like voices.com, upwork.com, and flexjobs.com provide opportunities for voiceover work. You need a good audio equipment and technical knowledge in this field, and I'm giving it an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next on the list is the role of a bookkeeper, which is considered a surprisingly good side hustle. Bookkeepers assist accountants, particularly during tax season, handling various tasks related to number crunching. While it's a seasonal side hustle, there are ample opportunities during certain times of the year. Remote bookkeepers can earn $48,000 to $71,000 annually, with the potential for higher earnings during tax season. Many accounting companies hire bookkeepers on a contract basis during this period. Freelancers can also offer their services on platforms like Upwork, rating this opportunity with a high score of 9 out of 10. Following that, the role of a social media manager. Social media managers oversee the online presence of companies or brands. With the increasing use of social media for customer acquisition, this role is essential. Social media managers earn around $64,000 annually, but specializing in a particular platform, such as YouTube or Instagram, can lead to higher earnings as a freelancer. This is a booming creator economy, and I'll rate this opportunity an impressive score of 9.5 out of 10. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!